recycled. Maybe make a few dollars on it, I don't know. And I just really want to get it from around the shop. Because, for one, I need the money for a project, a big project coming up. And the place has got to be cleaned up in order for me to do it. And plus, it's just nice every now and then to make your place not look like a junkyard. The ball on the back of my truck is the wrong one, so me and my dad are gonna have to swap those out real quick. And that's a nice truck right there. Right tool for the job.
Yeah.
Should I get my or do you want to just swap it on this one? Maybe we might, it's yours, so might as well just put it on this one and then just bring it back.
What I do is just put the floor down in there and then put a screw or a nail in it.
Yeah, just use it for steel sideboard. There we go, all loaded up, ready to take this junk off and get it recycled. I just hate to see this stuff go to the landfill, so we're going to be taking it and getting it recycled. I'm going to be spending the day with my lovely wife Elizabeth, which is a bonus. So let's get in the truck and get to rolling, I guess. You ready, love?
Ready to yell at you right now?
Yeah. I need to get this. This thing's got a belt. The power steering belt's squeaking like crazy. And it's got a brake light out. 10,460 pounds is what we weigh. Truck, trailer, and all.
I might just stay in the truck.
What's your name? Frank Taylor. Nice to meet you, Frank. It's got a magnet on the end of that scoop. Oh, that's awesome. So watching Frank unload this stuff was pretty neat. The grapple that he's using has a magnet on the end that allows him to separate between ferrous and non-ferrous, and it also allows him to grab items that are thinner than the magnet will hold, or just odd-shaped items. I always like watching these pieces of equipment work and get run. Frank had also built a trebuchet, so he's a guy that likes to build stuff too. It was off to the left. I didn't get a shot of it, which I intended to, but I was distracted. What's up with the pin here, Frank? Is it broken or does it not have a pin?
See, that's hollow. That's like the bushing. Man, I've never seen a grapple made like that. Okay, so that's just a hollow bushing, and then the pin just goes through the stick.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's odd.
Yeah, so you can, usually you got to line all that shit up, but this one you just got one pin, It's
and
nice.
it's, what is a, did you buy this bucket new or?
Yeah.
What does a bucket like that cost with a magnet?
28,000.
28,000. But look at the time that it saves,
Oh, dude, it's, I can clean up, I can unload anything.
Yeah. Separates your stuff for you and saves you a ton of time. Did you get this piece of equipment new?
No, I bought it, had like 200 hours on it.
So it was new?
Pretty much, yeah. I mean, it was a 2010. I bought it like a year ago.
So Frank is the owner of Taylor's Recycling here in Frankfurt. Pretty neat little outfit. Unloaded, we weigh 7220. So that went really well. All of the guys there were really nice. This truck is much happier with an empty trailer. And we're going to head back to the shop. We'll go over what we got for the jump that I had and go from there.
They're all standing there like, throw it off there.
Waiting for that guy to throw that hay off. Did you have fun, Elizabeth?
Yeah. Exciting.
Yeah, I bet. So we're back from the scrapyard and ready to reveal what we've all been waiting for, and that is, what was all that junk worth? And it really wasn't worth all that much. For the carbon steel, $96 for that trailer load. Definitely not worth your time if you consider saving it for as long as I did, junking up your property, and then having to haul it. It's just, in my opinion, not worth it. But, you know, 96 bucks is 96 bucks. Where the money in that trailer is the copper, aluminum, and brass. And the stainless was worth something too. I got $68 for my stainless steel. For my copper number 2, I got $32. For my copper number 1, they just grade it based on whether it has the plastic on the wiring, whether it's clean or not. I got $81.90 for that. For my yellow brass, I got $70, which was pretty good. I didn't really think I had very much brass. For my cast aluminum, wasn't worth saving, $6.29, and my sheet aluminum, $15.48. I always thought aluminum was worth more than that, but it is obviously not. And insulated wire, $26. So, my bad, the copper number 2 is like pipe with solder on it, paint on it, stuff like that. So not too bad. $400 total, basically. We had 3,200 pounds on that trailer, which was a pretty decent load. And I don't think I'll be doing it again, at least not to this extent. If you count your time, you count your junking up your property, in my opinion, it's not worth it. But I needed this. I got a huge project coming up that I've been putting off for years and that I'll share with you. And this will be just a drop in the bucket to what it will take. So I'm kind of scrounging here. But anyway, that's what we got. Not too bad, you know, for what we had. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed our little trip to the scrapyard. I actually took 2 days off of my real job this week in order to get all that stuff sorted and loaded. It didn't go as fast as what you've seen in the video. I did get to spend the day with my lovely wife Elizabeth, which was nice. I still don't know. We still don't know what the issue is that she's been having with her heart. We're still waiting on test results on that. And then this is the day after we got back from the scrapyard. So she's got the flu now. So the poor girl can't win for losing. You know, that's the way it goes, I guess, sometimes. Now, the project that I got coming up is going to require me to have space around here to work. And I'll reveal it very soon. It is one of the worst cases of corner cutting and improper construction that, you know, I've ever seen in my life, and I was shocked when I seen it. You know, and you will be too, I'm sure. But you'll see. Things are going to have to change. I've waited years for this, and ready or not, here I come. It's a big project for one person, but I don't know anybody else that'll do it besides me. Not at the rate that I can pay anyway. So that's it. You'll find out. Thanks to my viewers, patrons, and subscribers. I appreciate it more than you know. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you next time.